Do you want to create this Roblox edit?
Let me drive to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left.
Here's how I made it. First, you'll want to find a transparent image of a crosshair. If you have trouble finding one, I'll include one with the green screen behind it in the video for you to use. Once you have your crosshair saved, you'll need to join these two games, MM2 Clips and Kellogg Avatar Creator. Let's start with MM2 Clips first. Go ahead and pick any map of your choice. Personally, I would recommend an area that doesn't have a ton of clutter in the background because it'll make your video look a lot more clean, and if there's too much in the background, the focus won't really be on your Roblox avatar. Now that we've found a spot to record in, let me show you what settings to use in-game. On the bottom left of your screen, you should see a small icon that says Settings. Click on your settings and make sure you have the player names hidden. Now that those are hidden, watch how I move my character and my camera to where I want the person to be throwing the knife. Once you have your camera in the place you want to film, go back into Settings. This time, make sure you click Player in the GUI, click on Cam Lock, and then press Q on your keyboard. This will allow you to lock your camera in place and allow you to move without moving the camera with it. Make sure to walk out of the screen view. Once you've done this, record the avatar throwing a few knives, and that'll be the first part of the video. Now, you'll want to walk in front of the avatar that was throwing the knives, turn your screen to face the way they're looking, and then you'll want to go back into Cam Lock and lock your screen there. Make sure nobody's in the way, and I'd say record about a good 10 seconds of background footage. This will be where you place your character when the other one is throwing the knives at it. Now it's time to join Kellogg Avatar Creator. Once you're in the game, go into Settings and press on Environment. Scroll all the way down until you see the green screen options. Pick whichever one works best with your avatar. Then go into Emotes and film some poses with the green screen. I used a lot of scared poses in my video, but you can pick any you'd like. Make sure to record a handful of different poses. It'll make the video more interesting than having one single pose through an entire clip. Now that we have all the components needed for the video, I'll show you how to sew them all together. Also, make sure to record the audio and put it as the first thing in your workspace. This helps you time when to move your character to the beats and when to change the point of view. I'm going to cut up my clip on the bottom which contains the audio. The first split will be where the point of view changes from the innocent to the murderer. The next split will be where I change my character going from the left to the right on a beat. Now let's add in our first clip with the murderer and the second clip of the background footage. Make sure to scale it correctly to whatever canvas size you prefer. Crop your clips to match the point of view change, then add in your character with the green screen on the layer above the background. Let's go ahead and remove the green screen first. On CapCut Mobile, you can find the chroma key if you select the overlay with the Roblox character. Look down, slide your toolbox on the bottom to the right, and you should see an icon that says Remove Background. Click on that and press the chroma key, then move your color picker to your background color. To do this on your computer or laptop, click on your overlay, go up to the top right corner of your screen, next to Basic, and press on Remove Background. Once again, select your background color, and the green screen should be gone. I would recommend increasing the intensity to get rid of any small green bits around your character. Keyframes will be very important for this video. Make sure to keep in mind that you only want to change the position, so if you're on computer, only select on position. Add a position keyframe each time your avatar moves on either to the left or to the right. I'll show you how I did it to help give you a better idea on how people made these movements. Make sure to position your character to the very far left and the very far right. If you do it too close together between keyframes, it will not have the same quick pace you see in other videos. Don't mind how my character is moving the wrong way. This is just an example editing video, okay? It's not the real deal. Now you'll want to repeat the same process for the crosshair. Except make sure your crosshair is on the highest layer above the other overlays, or else it'll get blocked by your character and it'll go behind it instead of in front. Once you finish adding all the keyframes for every other direction switch on the crosshair, Feel free to add any other details you'd like to the video. This is how people are making the left to the right trends. I hope it answers some questions you guys had. If you're having any troubles, feel free to comment below and I'll try my best to answer them.